Today's lab is on heat of fusion. Actually, this lab deals with finding the experimental value of heat of fusion of ice and then comparing it with the theoretical. Now, introductory bit, you have to know what does the latent heat of fusion means. So, it is the melting point into the liquid state without change in the temperature, and the term latent means something which is hidden. And for the ice, theoretical value for latent heat of fusion of ice is 335 kilojoules per kg. Right? Now, this experiment deals with conservation of energy law. And what does it say? That whatever heat is gained plus heat lost will be equal to 0, right? And conservation of energy says energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can transform from one state to the other. Right? Now, aim of this experiment is to, again as I said, to find the experimental value of latent heat of fusion of ice. Now, something on procedure. Now, we will be weighing an empty inner cup of a calorimeter. We'll fill it with fill it with warm tap water, and then we'll weigh that, right? Then we'll put that cup into the insulating shell. We'll stir the water, and then we'll take the initial temperature of the water. Then we'll take the 2 cubes of ice. We'll dry it, wipe with the tissue or so to remove the adhering water. And then we'll place that ice into the calorimeter, right? So we'll stir that ice into the calorimeter until all the ice has been melted away. So once it has been done, we'll again take the temperature of it, and then we'll remove the calorimeter from the shell, and then we'll weigh its contents again. So this is the procedure needs to be followed when doing this experiment. It is a simple experiment. So observation part, this is the observation table you have to fill in your lab manual. Now, as I said before, you have to take the initial mass of the calorimeter, then mass of the calorimeter plus the hot water, then the temperature, and then mass of calorimeter, final temperature of the calorimeter, right? And then rest is just a calculation bit, right? Rest is just calculation bit. You do the calculation and you'll come to the experimental value of the latent heat of fusion of ice. Okay, these are the apparatus you'll be using for this experiment. This is a calorimeter. This is a top pen balance. You need a thermometer too, right? Now, you remove this cup from the calorimeter. You weigh this initially, right? You will initially weigh this. Now, then what you'll do, you will half fill this with warm tap water, and then again you will weigh this, right? Once you have done that, you will take the initial temperature of this water and record in the results table, right? Now, once that has been done, what you'll do, you'll place 2 cubes of ice in it. Make sure that your ice is clearly white so that there is no adhering water in that. You will place it in that, and then you will place this cup into the calorimeter, right? And then you will stir this, right? You will stir this until all the ice has been melted away. Once it has been done, take the final temperature of this water. Once you have done that, and then take the final mass of the melted ice and water, right? That is what you have to do. Rest of the things are all calculation bit, right?